Everyone, it's the third video I'm like filming in a row. I got this. Oh, is there any mic? Oh, there's not mine. Interest on it. But yeah, I made video on this thing and this iPhone 7 just now, like right before this, and all my brain cells almost died. So yeah, let's open this up. I think this is my headphone. Oh my gosh, I almost cut my finger. Why do you need so much of this here? Why do you need so much of these things? Like plastic, so eco-friendly packaging. Yeah. Okay, friend. There's more. Why are you bullying me? Okay, how do I? Yeet. I think this is my headphones. I've been waiting for so long for this dingus. For these dingus. Oh no. Where is the like? Just get me the dingus. Oh yeah. Here's the dingus. Yeah. And here's the Koss Porta Pro KTC. I didn't order this color. I ordered a red one. Bro. And what are these? These are the phones. Like you can change. I'm too lazy. I just put this here first. What are these things? It doesn't look good. And here's the adapter, like to USB-C, because I'm using an Android phone. So yeah, and made for iPod, iPhone, and iPad. God damn it, Koss. So yeah, let's open this thing up. And oh, it's a red one. It's really a red one. It's much smaller than I think. Yeah, it's like this. Would it fit to me? I don't know. Oh, can like. Okay, you can make this longer. And yeah, let's take a look at this comfort zone, like firm, light, firm. How do I? Like this. Oh, okay. So is there any way to let me like fold it? Because fold. Oh my gosh, like this, and then like what? How? This looks so cool. And yeah, let me just try these headphones. I know it will be copyrighted, so I'll let you to hear this. I only have copyright songs at my home. It's Billie Eilish, Happier Than Ever. I'm gonna try this thing out real quick. Let me try. Oh, it works. It's actually pretty nice. It's very nice. Yeah, I'll give it 8 out of 10 because it's a little bit too small for me, but yeah, it's pretty comfortable. And I don't know what does these light and fur means, but yeah, it's like pretty nice. But I no idea how do I like bring it on my way. Oh, like this. Okay, something like this. But I think it can be smaller. But yeah, I'll find a way in the future. But yeah, this looks actually pretty nice. And let's change the ear, like the foam right here real quick. And I actually really like this black and red combination. And yeah, there's nothing else in it. So yeah, that's much it for this video. And I made a mess on my table and I don't want to tidy this thing. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment and subscribe. I see you next time. Goodbye.